Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Discord password if you've forgotten it. Losing access to your account can be frustrating, but Discord makes it possible to recover your account safely as long as you have access to your email or phone number. Resetting your password is also an important step if you think your account may have been compromised. Whether you're locked out of your account or simply want to regain access quickly and securely, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Discord app and try to access the user settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left. Once you're there, look for the Change Password option under Account Settings. If you try to tap it, Discord will ask for your current password, but if you've forgotten it, this won't work. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't get stuck. Next, scroll all the way down in the Settings menu and click on Log Out. Confirm that you want to log out by pressing Log Out again. This takes you to the login screen, where you'll need to enter your email or phone number linked to your Discord account. After that, tap on the Forgot Your Password link. You'll see instructions sent to your email. Make sure you have access to that email account, as it's required to reset your password. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the email immediately, and have a strong new password ready before you start. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent unnecessary delays. Once you've received the email, tap on Reset Password. You'll be directed to a page where you can enter your new password. Type it carefully, then click Change Password. After that, return to the Discord app and sign back in using your email or phone number along with the new password. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to reset your Discord password and regain access to your account quickly and safely. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be locked out of their accounts. Why not make someone's day easier?